Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change the language on Google Maps in 2026. So if your app is showing the wrong language or you just want to switch things up, this guide will help you fix it quickly. First, open Google Maps on your phone or computer. The language usually depends on your device settings, not just the app itself. Next, tap your profile picture in the top right corner to open the main menu. Now scroll down and tap Settings. This is where most preferences are managed. On most devices, Google Maps uses your Google account language. So you'll need to change your Google account language settings from here. If you're on mobile, Google Maps usually follows your phone system language. So go to your device settings and change the language there. After changing the language, close Google Maps completely and reopen it. Sometimes you need a quick restart for changes to apply. Now check the interface again. Menus, labels, and navigation text should appear in your selected language. And if only Google Maps changed, but other apps didn't, that's normal. Each app can follow different language sources depending on your settings. So that's how to change the language on Google Maps in 2026. It only takes a few steps, and everything becomes much easier to understand. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.